Alright, let's dive into executive service and thread pools. This is a medium-level question that comes up frequently in Java interviews, and it trips up a lot of candidates. It falls under multithreading, and understanding this deeply will set you apart. Let's get into it. Creating a new thread for every task is expensive. Thread creation involves OS-level resource allocation. Executive Service manages a pool of reusable threads. You submit runnable or callable tasks, and the pool assigns them to available threads. When a thread finishes a task, it returns to the pool for reuse. Executor's Factory class provides common pool configurations. Now, why does this matter in interviews? Thread pools are how real applications handle concurrency. Every web server, every async framework, every background job system uses thread pools. This is practical concurrency knowledge. Let me go deeper. Executors.newficate thread pool, N, creates N threads that stay alive. Good for CPU-bound tasks. Executors.newcache thread pool creates threads on demand and reuses idle ones. Good for short I-bound tasks. Executors.newsingly thread executor ensures tasks run sequentially. In production, prefer thread pool executor directly for full control over core size, max size, queue type, and rejection policy. Let's look at the code for executive service and thread pools. I'll walk you through each section. First, notice that create a thread pool. Then, submit runnable, fire and forget. Then, submit callable, get result via future. Then, submit multiple tasks. And finally, always shut down the pool. Take a moment to study this code. The patterns here will come up in your interviews. Now, let's talk about the gotchas, the traps that catch people in interviews. First, a warning, always call shutdown. Without shutdown, the JVM won't exit because pool threads are non-daemon. Use try finally to guarantee shutdown. Here's a dangerous trap, newcache thread pool can explode. It creates unlimited threads. A burst of 10,000 tasks creates 10,000 threads, potentially crashing the JVM with OOM. And a pro tip, use virtual threads, Java 21. Executors.newVirtualThreadPertask executor creates lightweight virtual threads. Perfect for I-bound tasks without pool sizing worries. Keep these edge cases in mind. Interviewers specifically test for these. So here's the key takeaway. Use executive service for all concurrent work. Fixed pool for CPU tasks, cached pool for I/O tasks. Always shut down the pool. Prefer thread pool executor in production. And for your interview strategy, show the 3 pool types and explain when to use each. Mention thread pool executor for production and virtual threads for Java 21+. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more Java interview prep. Let's nail that next interview.